Enti Bruno Regional Bibi Chairman, Honorable Kwame Baffa Abronye, on the TikTokers abe clash with senior presidential staffer Nana Yaa Juantuah. Nana Yaa Juantuah beka nsembi afa Christmas any traffic in Accra ho. Ama amfaka say na mami kura de asem grade. De asem grade. Me mo nchiri mu no akere wa adwen ama me. E wo comment section. I Penyah block media. Mess was say ni di mu. Obe like video now that my subscribe button so na be click notification icon for latest updates na be kire wa adwen de ama me e wo comment section so over so no share for so e bia hwe you know onim Nana Yaa Juantuah ye pa abra na NDC fo e wo fie Nana Yaa Juantuah na no odene obeka ya ono e na kwatra TV3 e ko suye e se kenke bua ye dene akufo raban asesa taxes ego Ghana fo so wa ma na tetia pansam ye se Okotena TV3 eko suye esuhunu.
At the moment you criticize them, you see, if you don't want to be criticized, you will never be excellent. Because criticism allows you to move on. Criticism allows you to do the right thing. Debt exchange. Please, you are talking about debt exchange when the old people of this country don't know how it is going to be. They don't even know. We all don't know what will happen to our investments. We don't even know, Roland. In this kind of hardship, we don't know. And these old people, look at them. Why? How can you do this? You don't even care. Roland, why? You made these old people come to the ministry and picket. You don't care. You do not care. These are elders. They have worked for this. I mean, it was so sad. And when I looked, I said, what is the meaning of this? You have mismanaged the economy, made yourself rich, made your people rich, made everybody rich within your space. Made everybody rich within your space, and you want to treat Ghanaians like this. And you sit down when you tell us that you want to break the age as if we are fools. How can you treat us like that? How?
But Laura so they mami eko miamia na ni ase eko sui e wo TV3 dokono boa ye de ene ade e ma ye to ba we ya endis ewe ne ye nyina mama be bo se je se de ni je pa de na Juantuah ni je pa obebo se e me mo hu se mahama appoint no as mahama aman appointment as senior presidential staffer je se on that first ofusu kwa chima no e wo presidential staffers honomo ono and I do man as senior presidential staffer. Now you know your man that appointment no and then say kenke bo na or the koye by politics na also no kenke bo be ya la so da e da so da 5 6 any services na ye we say mama kan say na mama kenke na say no as we ja dokun ho asem kan but e bo no so be ada na da hwe nse say e de na wo kan mama ichire mu say odo no waja kenke to masa waja dokunu di waja dokunu to on to dokunu di na no o it mean kind of no prices once obo to no kan.
Video of the week.
Dokunu was it more position now ba obe kan dokunu
who me so be busy am say dog woni ma dey obi say me coffee late
okay
what you say e ho no me problem no ene me hu say me ye kesi enti me ja dokunu di enti se me ya me betia me condense sam bebreo
Ghana politics easily obo buto dokunu den kan dokunu ho ase o dey say na waja dokunu to o toro fu bi o ko adwuma on ponko du fe na e late e now no ono dokunu kra what price a check e don go for no te dokunu price but now no one te dokunu prices bi o say Abronye e beba na Abronye be nyame ni crazy o hwe kurumu a kuruma tede edwade phone isu sisike no ye nto ade ama e kurumu atede bi bia kra nkyere se Abronye e ba enne amro ye video we am record video ene 19th Friday 19th ba bi bia nkyere kra se Abronye bi e ba ewiem atede enye knockout ba ku bi na betete se etoto a wala say nothing shows bibi a but anymore no and a video be pop up on the internet as na Nana Yaa Juantuah wo chirem o man emu adwo emu ayeye enam sent no okọ Accra traffic be in Accra. Christmas more but Accra. There is no traffic in Accra, all because Omayano Imajo Yatete Petrus Internal Obie Timinya Sika Edefaka Ekonu Crew.
Unsanka by this time got traffic ukuru.
Yes.
And the traffic no swati.
This is scanning.
And yes, you can go from 14 years to Kwaya Kofi. Yate Petruso. Oh, be there better else.
And they go for
Komukrom Kofi near Bushian for Abronye. One park, one car, one
observation.
Yes.
Very interesting observation.
Oh, I'm telling you. Yate Petruso and no which and can any tipet and Petruso. Into a car crowd packet, petrol board, the almost 90 cedis a gallon, 100. Or packet. Also, Junior Home said, make 5 VIP, a modding. But in the petrol, a swati. Timmy Tobia, me the good one, me drive. Good driver called the Bushia phone colleague, good catch you, get to front. Family, Mako could deal with mommy. Oh, papa. No, my back.
This is scanning room.
And yes, you can name
your phone to me.
There be myself that's in the traffic room. Around this time, so we'll call my collar nipa. And no be in the shopping starting them.
This year,
the answer I'm catch you around your friend is saying 10, 11, 12 for baby. No, now a chroma ding. A starting end of November. And the chroma boko among for coffee, woman break you coffee, or more me business mom, do shop a jar, almost store boys.
Na ense no be kana busia Abronye Abronye so ndo no Abronye ja kwa ye nya ne kwa da bi onya ne kwa eti Abronye any TikTokers abe clash with Nana Yaa Juantuah
and some ni bi wo ho a metie ya na metie video bi me hwe ya nam say da bia me ni wiifo no binum din koma ebinum nom de fa adwene ebinum kobo wi ba uno mo din koma nyansa wom ebinum de adnom wi kokotena radio so a nsem o mo kan it doesn't make sense because me tie menua obi e wa sempa na matise NDC fo no binum so kra bisa say na sa Nana Juantuah no John Mahama kofa ne free fine President Mahama kofa ne free fine because I said that be obekwa sempa fe no waye he obekwa bia no waye he matise NDC fo no binum free ati bisa say no no mo kofa ne free fine here ya be man presidential staff e hu trimude enti da bia obekwa no because ono o start say obom no obomu wi na onum free secondary school onum wi na free secondary school enti wi de ontimi nyai ba panyina ne kondo wi sade Ghana ha me hu ba panyina opewi che Nana Yaa Juantuah bi ni ba panyina bia ni Ghana ha opewi che Nana Juantuah na wakwa kwatena radio so Nana Yaa Juantuah nom ni wi ye no okwatena radio so no o se obi wa unsa afi we no traffic ni krom sansa amanfo atima topetro e kwa akodi bronya e wo mu krom ne yeten sente senkran ha kro nipa ni hadada yate ai owie ya no de ato aso se last year no be fa krom ba bia na traffic age ba bia ai awura na ekasa ya na sa hwan na ekasa yi afi de traffic ni krom amanfo ato petro tu kwan ko mu krom ko di bronya enu ntira traffic ni akra no na last year no enam se petro board nti unam krom na traffic ba bia na traffic na ohu ye na ye bon grace traffic ana car traffic Nana Yaa Juantuah say last year Petro board didn't na traffic wo krom na manfo nko krom enkoto ne amanso na traffic wo wa look at that senko ono atnase esan hwe ne video na ne back ebia owo back to ho ba bisa ne say wo kwot radio no so no aduane be na odi ye na na ofi say obi sere no na obi sere say na sem na okanyansa wom obi sere say na sem na wo asem na okanyansa nim because patrol board didn't last year was the traffic wo krom na traffic na wo ni last year na wo krom no maybe say na ye bon grace traffic and a bicycle traffic mo kwatena radio so na mo microphone na adwene na mo di frifie no na akọ grand zero we o se wakọ okwa attack MPP into okoye no okwa cancel man NDC fo na kasa o ya ade ama president Mahama kasa o ya ade na se mo tim kan ya no say last year patrol board den no na traffic wo krom amanfo nko krom kotọ ade nso na traffic wo krom na traffic na hu ye no e car traffic ana bicycle traffic ana bon grace traffic mane na hu ye e car traffic enti se patrol board den dia e da traffic ba krom because sabe enya jonso ne yedi gum ana traffic na hu last year na wo se na traffic wo krom dodo no na nya bicycle traffic ana enya bon grace traffic na e car traffic na nipa na traffic na wo krom na se no mo ntade no obi ma metade a wabodam se o metade no watu car ba krom abachi traffic Nana Yaa Juantuah was it last year na traffic wo krom and so na manfo ntwa and traffic nkwa manfo ntwa de produce abo video no
unsanka by this time ka traffic wo krom
Yes.
and the traffic no so ati
This is scanning.
enye sika ni nkofo etimi atukwan akofie ya te petrol so
And they go for Komu.
Omukom kofie ni abusuafo ko di bronya Woman park it, one car.
Observation.
Yes.
Very interesting.
I'm telling you. Ya tip petrol so no much and can any tip petrol so. Into what car crowd pack it petrol board the almost 90 cedis a gallon 100. What pack it. Also, Junior Home said because 5 VIP a more ding. But in the petrol a swati. Timmy top beer me the good one me drive. Good driver called the busia phone colleague good catch you get the front. Family makwa could deal with mommy. Oh papa. No maba.
This is can any chrome.
And yes, you can any
phone to me met
there be myself last year near traffic room. Around this time so come makola nipa. And no be in the shopping starting
this year
the answer I'm catch you around your friend is saying 10, 11, 12 for baby no. Now a chroma ding a starting end of November. And the chroma boko amafo woman
traffic the traffic no won last year no na e bicycle traffic once ye ma bi post wa na ni naso so obenya post no enti trimudenti asem na obeka ne post no ho denti no onim ne oka last year traffic wo krom traffic na won last year na e bon grace traffic ama bicycle traffic tawa obaka sa da bia wonim na yeren eguase yemfansi ya na nyame ya doma eda dwoda ye mametoa so ye da trader mponkwam na sese wabo ye ho ban na wotwe nyina mu onyankopon entrene nsakase mo ye ho ban weekends mu ebra ye boaboa ye ho akwakosi bronya na wotwe mu ye ba hwese eda dwoda ye betima ye last program ye ntima anye so a ye si bronya na wotwe mu no ye de ho notice beba
we Nana Yaa Juantuah if he say ya to Obama NDC obi obebie na no NDC abamu bia pese o kire se Ghana fo agini ye ntime nwene ma ya ho nti omumom na bedwene na o ma beka kire Ghana fo maami we ne yekoto a obetena TV susu ye sa adan a dokron bo aye den Ghana fo koto a Obama NDC ne ma senior presidential staffer no obetena the same radio station egusa na say sisi amuwini aba dokron bo aye say ya wasisi an wa yakese nti woni dokono nti wonim dokono bo eye obi a wagimi nko an ye betimi ne na di san komo wi an obetima kasa asem wi a kire no enne wa ba betena the same radio station so ti nkwati asem a wokekan
Unsanka by this time got traffic okurum.
Yes.
And the traffic no so ati.
This is scanning.
And yes, you can go from comfort in here to Kwaya Kofi. Ya tip petrol so. Oh, we get better else.
And they go for Komu.
Come coffee near Bushian for di Bronya. One packet, one car, one
observation.
Yes.
Very interesting observation.
Oh, I'm telling you. Ya tip petrol so no much and can any tip and tip petrol so. Into a car crowd packet, petrol board, the almost 90 cedis a gallon, 100. Oh, packet. Also, Junior who said me quack 5 VIP, a modding. But in the petrol, a swati. Timmy Tobia, me the good one, me drive. Good driver called the Busia phone colleague, good catch you get to front. Family, Maka could deal with mommy. Oh, papa. No, my back.
This is scanning room.
And yes, can
phone to me.
There be myself that's in the traffic room. Around this time, so we'll call my colleague Nipa. And no beer in the shop shopping starting 10.
This year,
the answer I'm catch you around a year friend is saying 10, 11, 12 for baby. No, now a chroma din. A starting end of November. And the chroma boko, I'm a for coffee, one my break, coffee, or more me business, mom, do shop a jar, almost store boys.
Chirawadwe mame ewo comment section. Ayi Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!